Na yaba na siasa goturwania matanga nigo yagikerewe no yokurigekero ky'ubugabana imeye kaunti Nyamira homoske swanya Victor Geto yibaigota ibru nateko bake korogya koleta maskania mabe gochi saba sireirwe nabamwabo ukwana nabarali homo basorera somo cyo muneno Nyamira nigo swanya boigo arwekana ko mochi boigo chiburaburwe cyo cyabete chikwenneke gokumbu imeye kaunti ya Kisii ase hamochira barayi bali bagutumeka abantu behelio gosalyo mulembe Onyana boni goswanya aira chinga kecho gukwanira abo igoborai we kaunti ya Nyamira.
I'm very sorry buna chitabitua chagire korora nona samatanga chagire koleta ubwoba asichi family chiri chikwereire butamba samatangare teyo tuwenda okora siasa gotuja koremia bali bakwereire lakini bono ekero abanya siasa bose bali bakuriya ba go disrupt amatanga y'abanyene like what we have seen now. I think is unfair because there's no bono matanga yomo itasarike amatanga y'omuntu oyo ewili arwete they executed. That's the truth of the matter. So but ekyo I hope nga abarayi baitu in future they get to restrain gukwana siasa Wosokoro ki interest yeto as amatanga. Nduno odore gaiga we are set to make sure that tualetire a change as ense ya Kenya come 2027. We as united opposition. Again to Kende County yeto. I had a chance to go no more Kenya ribo. Otuaseka because we are friends. Na namo de they can't get. You know time ya ikire bono abantu babwete chinguru abantu babwata maiso babwende take up leadership na in morale exactly what we are doing was on yeah so so I think a county I mean omwako God what he has done will pick it up from there na nintu anjera na ki ndunto koramana ndokora siasa doja koramana nama yeto banjema yetebo iko tojo kwana chipoint chuka nere nama yetenga kiyekire wanaje gutira abantu bali ebo nando oyo omu kabisa unyalita manganaye igagurukwa swanya Victor Ogeto. Now I squarely ongupule mwigenteke to tam people yani serikali ya UDA. Serikali ya UDA igiri tubuni nsi ni yabo. We can understanding serikali ya UDA ya etwe chinguru 2022 bakora administration yenzi ya Kenya on behalf of Kenyans 52 million egerobono omungwano wengo omuchumbe amnyari bari chache ako goons kurutama gena to other people babwate their own agenda. The agenda was not about UDA. The agenda was about Linda Mwananchi. Inki bakora kiri ubwoba. I think already babuirwe. Egaro muntu okoli bintu bakoreta igakoro kyubwoba una Emeritus Chief Justice ateba eyendeke igo kibwenete kwangwa ande serikali bwente go condemn it onye talibo intubona inchi we will take it up etubakiri egora ntu wanja abantu bari goons bari hired bari paid egora I can tell you for sure usiengi mais one time